Omo, I never get wetin I never see for this Sonia Uche's hand. God. If you have not watched this particular new movie of Sonia Uche, my sister, my brother, you are missing. Seriously. So basically, Sonia Uche won, seduce the Oga. He want the Oga to wire. See, as my girl just did. God, don't be so happy. Nothing this girl ever had for this Nollywood of a thing. And she murders every role given to her. See how she just the bed. That's what they say this man. Guys, make I play the video, make yourself watch. Maurice Sam is not taking it easy at all. Make I play the video, make you watch.
Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry.
Girl, oh, tell me, are you possessed?
Do you have any friend in your village who is well-mannered, a decent girl, very, very beautiful, that can be a wife to my son?
Madam, you want my wife, Oga Uche?
Answer my question.
Madam, see me now. I'm not rich.
Are you asking me that question? My goodness. Carol, have you taken a very good look at yourself in the mirror?
Yes.
It's not your fault. You think this opportunity I'm talking about is for grabs? I'm looking for a decent, beautiful, good girl to be a wife for my son, not you.
Madam, all these things me.
To be a wife for my son, not you.
Madam, all these things me talk, I'm beautiful. Madam, I be better wife material. Plenty safe. I don't get into one, no sabi too.
I do not see any wife material in this room.
That's see me now.
Carol, get out of my sight. What was I thinking? Just go. What was I thinking? Even the one that is in the village will be exactly like you. Carol, please get out.
Omo, you queen more like Sonia Uche. Now all of una they reject. Omo, no be so. Hey guys, if you never watched this particular movie, you are in a long thing. So rush now to Sonia Uche's TV. Let's take this movie to 2 million plus. We can do it, guys. Rush now.